Alright, follow along with me as I help you create your first simple house. I'm going to create a new 3D design. And the first thing I want you to do, that's my dog Gracie. First thing I want you to do is bring a red block over and let it land on the work plane. And what this is the work plane. This is actually the deck of a 3D printer. And you can, anything you build on here, you could 3D print. And basically this shows you how big the thing can be for the printer. And what you'll do is you'll notice that when you place this block on the 3D plane, you will see that you have these size handles everywhere. This one here shows you how tall it is, and these here show you how wide and long it is. So right now it's 20 millimeters wide, 20 millimeters long, and 20 millimeters tall. You can change it by either clicking on them and dragging up to 25, which I want you to do, or you can click the handles and click there and type 25 and press enter. Click here and type 25 and press enter. And so what I did is I'm going to do that again. I undid everything that I just did so I can do it again for you. So I want to change the width. So I click here and I type 25. Press enter. I want to change the length. So I click here and I press 25 and I press enter. And I want to change the height. I can click here and type 25, or I could just drag up to 25. Alright, now I should have 25 everywhere, and I hope you do too. 25 length, 25 width, 25 height. Now, when you click this, I want you to notice this right here. I want you to click this solid color here, and I want you to change the block to gray. Next, I want you to come over here and grab this green triangle right here. Alright, I want to change the color to black. I want to change the width and length to 25. 25. Click here, 25. Enter. Okay. How tall is it right now? It's 10. Let's make it 15. I'm just left clicking, holding, and dragging, or you could have clicked there and typed 15. Now, this thing is 25 tall. So what I'm going to do is I click here, and you see this black one? I'm going to left click, hold down, and drag this up till that bottom right one there says 25. Now, if I click out of this, I can just grab this now and drag it over. Set it on top. Okay, you'll have to play around with the mouse so you're able to move this guy around. I'm actually right clicking and holding down right now. We might do a lesson on navigation and everything if we need to. Next, I would like you to grab this cylinder and bring it right here. Alright, I want to change the color of this cylinder to a light gray. I want the size of this cylinder to be, let's say, 2. And let's say 2. And I want the height, I clicked up here on the very top one. I want the height to be 5. Actually, let's make that height 10. Sorry about that. Now, I want you to pick this up to 29, or let's say 30. And then I want you to drag it into your house like a chimney top. It doesn't matter where it's at, as long as it's in there, you will get credit. So we have a box that is 25 by 25 by 25. We have a triangle. We have a gray box. We have a triangle that is 25 millimeters above the deck, right on top of the gray box. It's black. It's 25 by 25 by 15. And I have a cylinder that is 30 millimeters off the deck and the roof, looking like a chimney. It is 2 by 2 by 5 by 10. And this will get you 100 if it looks like this. What I want you to do now, though, one last thing. I want you to take left click and pull a box over the entire thing. Now, I want you to come up to the top right here and click this button right here called Group. And what that does is that puts this together and makes it one unit, one house. Now the size could be changed altogether. So say I wanted to make this bigger. We're going to leave this at 25-25. But if we wanted to make this bigger or smaller, look, everything changes now. Okay, because it's a group. But we're going to leave it like this. I want yours to be like this. If you come up in this top left corner, I want you to click there, change that. I want you to put your initials, the period, your period, number, and lesson 1, small or simple house. Enter. That will get you 100 right there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be playing this on the front board for help as well.